topics is a sub-content of a lessons. Hi there, Danica here, and in this video, we are gonna check out the LearnDash Topics for Beginners series that we are currently in. So in the previous video, I shared this simple diagram where I shared that LearnDash has courses, and lessons belongs to a course, and topics belongs to a lessons. You can't create topic like as a individual one. It automatically needs to have, or it needs to have a lessons for it to work. So under LearnDash LMS, you could see on the left side, it's even ordered that way. So we have lessons and then topics. And in here, you could see that the column says we have the title, we have the associated course, and then we have the associated lessons for this topic. And then of course, the other meta values that we have for that topic. The topics page listing works, or I think looks exactly the same with the courses and lessons. The only difference is you could see the associated contents of these topics and where they belong to. On the upper side, we have an add new button. And then just like in the topics and in the courses, we have this actions button drop down, which allows you to manage the topic categories and the topic tags that you could assign for your topics. On the topic settings, we have kind of similar to the LearnDash settings where you could turn on and off some taxonomies. So again, depending on your setup, you need to like turn on and off stuff. Like example, if you're using the categories, topics, and tags, you could turn it on, but if you're not, I highly recommend you turn it off to simplify and to save some space on your database, and also to simplify your preview. So you could also turn this off, and if you want to like just manage everything on your WordPress post categories and post tags, you could also turn this to on and maybe turn this off, just like how the lesson works. You could also do the same thing where you could protect the topics search for who could search that topic. Like example, if you only want your login users to search for that, or do you only want those enrolled one to be able to search for that one. So it's very private. So I think whenever you set up topics and lessons, I recommend you turn this on, login user, if you really want to protect your content. And then if you want to dive more deep and protect it more, you could turn this on so that only enrolled user could search for that topic. But if you want to have non-logins search for these topics on your website as well, then you could just leave this off. You could even like just turn off the entire search functionality so that these topics that you have set is not gonna be available or listed on the search archive in your website. Next is we have also an option to create an archive page for the topics. So just like in the lesson where we've able to do that, you could turn on and off the section. So example, if I visit that page right now, it says 404. So there's no available archive page for the topics, the default one. But if I turn that on and then I save this, I refresh this one, again, my topics are now listed in here. So let me just turn that off and then save this again. Now, if you visit one of your enrolled user or enrolled member, you can see how the topics looks on the back end on their user's profile. If you open that one, you could see the course progress details for which course, lessons, and then topic they've already completed. So another preview for the listing of topics is in here. Now let's go back to the topics list. And example, if I open this, so let's preview that. So this is the topic, and on the left navigation, you can see that this is the course. These are the lessons, and it says one topic, and I am opening that one right now, which is background with light gray. So this is the topic, and you can see that I still need to mark this complete. In the topics edit page, we have also the associated content, just like the lessons. And you can see which section does this topic is on. So it's similar preview from here in here. This is just styled version because this is the front view, but on the back end it is exactly similar. The topic settings is similar to the lessons as well. So we have some topic materials where we could turn on and off. We have video progression, assignment uploads, and we also have topic timer. So if we're gonna compare that to the lessons, so it's exactly similar here. We also have associated courses, and the difference between the topics and lesson is of course a topic belongs to a lesson. So you can see here that other than the associated course, we also have associated lessons here. So you can see that as well. And just like how the release schedule for the lesson, it also have 3 options, which is to release this topic immediately, to set an enrollment base, so number of days before they can access this lesson, and then specific date. Now the topic, this one will be based on, again, the course enrollment, so do note on that one. So example, even if they haven't finished this lesson yet that was previously locked, because of this delay, it will still be based on the course enrollment date, which it will like count like how many days it needs to be open for that enrolled member. So I hope this video helps and explains what the topic is in LearnDash and what its requirement. So again, topics needs to be assigned or needs to be underneath a lesson. It can't live on its own. And so if you have any question regarding LearnDash topics, please comment it down below. And again, I'll do my best to answer your question as soon as I could. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.